ውድ ተመልካቾች በዚህ ቪዲዮ የምንመለከተው በኤክሴል የኢትዮጵያን ኤምፕሎይመንት ታክስ እንዴት ካልኩሌት እንደሚደረግ ነው። ከዚህ ዌብሳይት እንደምታዩት የኤምፕሎይመንት ኢንካም ሬንጅ እና ኢኩቫለንት ኢንካም ታክስ ሬት አለልን። ይህን እንደ ኢንፑት ተጠቅመን ሶልቭ እናድርግ። ኤክሴል ላይ እንውሰድ መረጃ አዲስ ሽት ላይ ዴታውን እናስቀምጥ። Now using this input, let's write the formula to calculate the income tax. Now let's write a sample employee salary here, salary per month, and formula here. Let's start from the beginning. If this salary is greater than 10,900, then the income tax will be salary. Let's rename this cell as salary. Okay, let's rewrite the function. If salary is greater than 10,900, then the income tax will be salary times 35%, as you can see from the given range, minus the deduction 1,500. Otherwise, another formula, we will continue that. As you can see, the income tax for this salary is 7,250. What about salaries less than this one? Let's take 10,000. As you can see, there is no formula for it. So let's continue for the next range of income. Let's paste the nested if statement. If salary, the next range is, if the salary is greater than 7,800 bar, then the income tax will be salary times 30%, and the deduction is 955. Otherwise, we'll continue. Okay, let's use the Alt Enter new line break feature of Excel and continue our formula. Alt Enter, paste the next formula, the next interval. This one is greater or equal to. The next interval is 78, 52, 51, and the tax will be 25% times salary minus the deduction 465, and the next formula, and the next interval is greater or equal to set to 0, and the tax is 20% times the salary minus the deduction 302.5 this one has equal sign. And the next interval, alt enter, paste if statement, and the next interval is 1651 greater or equal to 1651, and the tax 15% times salary, 15% times salary minus the deduction 142.5, and the next interval, alt enter, paste, the next interval is greater or equal to 601, and the tax, the equivalent tax, salary times 10%, and the deduction is 60. Otherwise, the income tax will be 0, as you can see from here. For salary less than 600, the tax is 0. So here is the formula for Ethiopian Employment Tax. As you can see, this one is the solution. If let's test for salaries less than 600, take 500, as you can see there, and for the second interval 650, we have 5 and for the next interval 32, 3300. Let's test from online tax calculator, Ethiopian Employment Tax calculator. For instance, for 3,300 work, we have tax of, this is income tax, okay, 3300. You see the income tax 357.5, 357.5. For salary in between 52, 51 to 70,001, let's take 6,000. For 6,000 we have 897.5 tax. Let's cross check from online to 6,000. Salary will have 935 tax. Why? There is a problem. For 6,000. Oh, as you can see, there is a problem. Greater than 15, 25. Yes. We have corrected. Okay, that's fine. That's right. Let's check the next interval. 70,001 to 10,000. Let's take 8,000. 8,000 salary, and the equivalent income tax is 1445. Let's cross check. 8,000. As you can see, 1,445. That's nice. We have checked for salary over 10,900. Let's check 12,000. For 12,000 we have 2,700 income tax. Let's cross check the formula. Paste 12,000. That's fine. 27,700. That's correct. So we can convert this to Excel VBA function using this interval. Let's use this as a reference and write custom Excel function, Excel VBA function. Go to developer tab and click the VBA and write the custom function here as ID. Y. Okay. Let's insert a new module. Let's rename this module as Employment Tax module. And let's insert a function. Calculate employment tax. Okay. Let's take salary as input, as debit, and let's use this as a reference and write our equivalent VBA function. If salary is greater than 10,900, then and if the income tax will be this one. Let's write the correct percentage and let's copy this one and modify the next statement. The next interval is greater or equal to 7801, greater or equal to 7801, and the equivalent calculation is this one, 0 point. Okay. The next interval 50 to 51, and the calculation is this one, 0 point. And let's continue. Else if the next interval 30 to 70, and the equivalent income tax .2 times salary minus 302.5. The next interval is 1651, and the income tax syntax problem. 0 point this one. The next interval is 101, and the income tax will be salary times 10%, and minus the deduction 60, else no tax, 0. Okay, so we have finished our VBA function. Let's put our remark here. Calculate Ethiopian employment tax for monthly okay, so you can format this and escape, tab. So let's reuse this custom function in Excel. Let's check. Is equal to calculate. See, our custom user defined VBA function is this one. Let's recheck. That's fine. Let's change this one to 10,000. Same. 8,000. Same. 7,000. Same. 6,000. Same. 5,000. Same. And 4,000. Same. 3,000. Same. 2,000. Same. 1,000. 500. Same. So we have cross-checked every interval. Both works fine, but the second one is easier for ordinary users. This one is more complex for ordinary users, so we can simplify this by writing custom Excel function like we did previously. So that's all about nested if and user defined VBA function. Thank you for watching.